Somewhere tonight, a patient is waiting for a treatment that does not exist yet. This episode asks whether AI could help invent the next life-saving drug before that clock runs out. But can a machine really spot a medicine humans might miss inside biology's almost impossible maze? A patient can wait 10 years for a drug that may never arrive. What if an algorithm could help find that medicine before time runs out? Here is the brutal math. Building a new drug often takes 10 to 15 years and about $2.6 billion. And even after all that, roughly 90% of candidates fail in clinical development. Biology is slippery. First, you must find the right target. Then design a molecule that binds, survives the body, avoids toxicity, and actually helps a patient. For rare or complex diseases, that process can stall for years. So what changed? Because the turning point was not one miracle pill. It was a new way of seeing biology itself. AI drug discovery starts by turning living systems into searchable patterns. Models trained on protein, genomic, and chemical data learn which disease targets matter. Then, predict the shapes of proteins, the tiny folded machines drugs must fit. AlphaFold's release began with the human proteome in 2021 and expanded to more than 200 million predicted structures by 2022, giving researchers a map where there used to be fog. Next, generative models propose new molecules. Virtual screening tests billions of candidates in silico, and other systems estimate binding, ADMET properties, and which patients may respond. Then, robotic labs take the best ideas into the real world, running experiments, feeding results back, and tightening the loop. Exscientia's DSP-1181 reached clinical testing in under 12 months, versus a typical 4.5 years in early discovery. Insilico's rentasertib advanced to phase 2 in 2023. So can a machine find a medicine humans miss? Yes, not by replacing scientists, but by expanding their reach. AI can search chemical space at superhuman scale, predict structures faster, and cut early dead ends. What it has not yet proven at full scale is that it can consistently deliver better approved drugs on its own. 10 years from now, the biggest impact may be precision. Faster drugs for rare diseases, smarter clinical trials, AI-designed biologics, and autonomous labs that never sleep. The prize is not just speed. It is reaching diseases traditional economics left behind. The patient in the opening hook is still waiting. The question now is whether humanity's next great medicine will first appear in a test tube or in the mind of an algorithm. If this shifted how you see the future, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and join us for the next breakthrough.